Hi, good evening, all of you. My name is B. Srinivasulu, Department of Mechanical Engineering, DBS Institute of Technology at Kavali. Okay, today I am going to the impact of jets. This impact of jets topic is civil branch unit number 4, second topic, second part. Okay, mechanical for unit number 3. Okay, introduction. Impact of jet. The impact of jet means the force exerted by the jet on a plate which may be stationary or moving. Okay, impact of jet means the force exerted by the jet on a plate which may be stationary or moving. The liquid comes out in the form of a jet from the outlet of a nozzle with high velocity, which is fitted to a pipe through which the liquid is flowing under pressure. If some plate which may be fixed or moving, it is placed in the path of the jet. The force is exerted by the jet on the plate. This force is obtained from Newton's second law of motion or from the impulse momentum equation. Okay, impact of jet means, okay, మనం ఏదైనా ఒక వాటర్ ఫ్లో అనేది ఒక ప్లేట్ ని టచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ ప్లేట్ అనేది స్టేషనరీగా ఉండొచ్చు, మూవబుల్ గా ఉండొచ్చు. ఆ స్టేషనరీ ప్లేట్ ని వాటర్ ని ఫోర్స్ తో టచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ వాటర్ ఫ్లో అనేది ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక మూవింగ్ ప్లేట్ పైన ఆ వాటర్ ఫ్లో అనేది టచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ మూవింగ్ ప్లేట్ యొక్క డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, వాటర్ ఫ్లో యొక్క డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద చాప్టర్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, impulse momentum equation. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum is equal to the force applied and takes place in the direction of the force. Okay, this is the Newton's second law of motion. Okay, if the mass of the fluid m which flows with a velocity v, the momentum mv. Okay na, let the change in velocity dt, time interval dv. Okay, then change in momentum equal to mass into change in velocity, m into dv. Okay, the rate of change of momentum equal to m into dv by dt. Okay, dt means with respect to time. Okay, next dv means velocity, mass means mass of the liquid or mass of the fluid. According to the Newton's second law, force equal to the rate of change of momentum, F equal to m into dv by dt. Therefore, the equation is F into dt equal to m into dv. This is the impulse momentum principle. Okay, this is the impulse momentum principle. Okay, the impact of jets based on the impulse momentum principle. Okay, na, because of the water is having some velocity and some mass. Okay, water is having some mass and velocity. Okay, next, force exerted by the jet on a stationary plate. Okay, in this chapter, force exerted by the jet on a stationary plate, force exerted by the jet on a moving plate. Okay, in this chapter is divided into two parts, ante stationary plate, moving plate. Next, another one is curved plate. Okay, in this chapter, stationary plate and moving plate. Okay na, next, first one is the force exerted by the jet on a stationary plate. In this stationary plate, a plate is vertical direction. Okay, a plate is inclined direction. Next, a plate is curved direction. Okay na. In this stationary plate is divided into three parts. Okay na, three times. Okay, three positions. Okay, first one is a plate is vertical to the jet, ante direction of the jet to the perpendicular direction. Okay, next the plate is inclined to the jet, ante the flowing direction of water and the plate is inclined direction. Next is curved plate. Okay na, three portions are available in the stationary plate. Next, the impact of jet, the center of the curved plate. Okay na. Next one, the jet strikes one end of the curved plate when the plate is symmetrical. Next, jet strikes at one end of the curved plate when the plate is unsymmetrical. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లోయింగ్ వాటర్ అనేది ఆ కర్వ్డ్ ప్లేట్ లో సెంటర్ పాయింట్ లో టచ్ అవుతుందా విత్ వెలాసిటీతో. నెక్స్ట్, ఆ సెంటర్ ప్లేట్ లో వన్ ఎడ్జ్ లో టచ్ అవుతుందా. నెక్స్ట్, ఆ ప్లేట్ అనేది సిమెట్రికలా అన్సిమెట్రికలా. ఓకే, దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని వీ కెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ది మొమెంటం ప్రిన్సిపల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫోర్స్ exerted by the jet on a stationary vertical plate as shown in the figure. Okay, first part, pipe. Okay, the pipe is connected with at the end of nozzle. Okay, nozzle is connected with at the end of the pipe. Nozzle purpose is in this, the pressure energy is converted into the velocity energy. Okay, the pressure energy is converted into the velocity energy. The fluid is flowing to the high velocity with impact of, okay, or impulse of vertical stationary plate. Okay na, the pipe diameter is capital D, the nozzle diameter is small d. Okay na, the velocity of liquid or fluid is v. Okay, next, the axis of the jet. Next, jet of area A, jet of area A, the pipe area capital A. Okay na, in this stationary plate is fixed. Okay, in this stationary plate is fixed. The water is entering into the, okay, or strike into the vertical plate. The water leaving into two directions, upward direction and downward directions. Okay na, the impact of jet. Okay, the pipe and the impact of jet and the plate is arranged in 90 degrees. Okay, that is a vertical meaning. Okay na, the water is flowing into the upward direction one way and downward direction another way. The water is flowing into the, after impact of the stationary plate, it is moving into the upward direction and the water is leaving into the downward directions. Next, consider a jet of water coming out from the nozzle strikes at a flat vertical plate as shown in figure. Okay na. Next, the plate is stationary and does not deflect even after the jet striking on it. Okay, because of the plate is stationary. Okay na, the does not moving and outward sides. Okay, next, the plate deflects the jet by 90 degrees and then the jet leaves the plate tangentially. Okay, hence the component of the velocity of jet v in the direction of the jet after striking will be 0. Okay, therefore the v equal to velocity of the jet, d equal to diameter of the jet, a equal to area of cross section of the jet, pi by 4 into d square, rho equal to density of the fluid, q equal to volume of flow rate of fluid. Okay, q equal to meter cube per second. This is the discharge. Okay, q equal to discharge, that equal to volume flow rate of fluid, q. Next, m equal to mass flow rate. Okay, m equal to mass flow rate, that equal to rho q, that equal to rho av. Okay, q means av. Okay, area into velocity. Next, the force exerted by the jet on the plate in the direction of the jet, f of x. Okay, f of x equal to the rate of change of momentum in the direction of force. Okay, the rate of change of momentum in the direction of force, that equal to initial momentum minus final momentum divided by time. Okay, that therefore mass by time into change in velocity in the direction of jet. Okay, change in velocity in the direction of jet. Therefore, mass by time into initial velocity of the jet before striking in the direction of jet minus final velocity of the jet striking after the direction of the jet. Okay, na? This is the equation of the f of x direction, that equal to mass per time equal to m into dv, the velocity of the fluid. Okay, na? That equal to rho av into v minus 0. Okay, na? V is the initial velocity, final velocity means 0 because of the plate is a stationary plate. Final velocity equal to 0 because of the equation is rho av v minus 0. Okay, na? Okay, next f of x equal to rho a v square. Okay, f of x equal to rho a v square. This is the small derivation. Okay, this is the small derivation. Since the plate is stationary, therefore the work done on the plate is 0. The plate is stationary, the work done will be 0 because of the plate is not moving. Okay, next the force is exerted by the jet on a stationary inclined plate. Okay, na? Already explained the stationary plate with vertical. Okay, this is also stationary plate because this is also inclined. Okay, inclination of the some angle. That angle is theta. Okay, same above figure. Okay, above figure and this figure is same. Okay, the pipe equal to pipe diameter capital D and nozzle diameter small d and discharge q, and the jet is striking into the fixed plate. The plate is inclined plate. Okay, na? Consider a jet of water coming out from the nozzle strike an inclined plate with as shown in figure. Okay, therefore v equal to velocity of the jet in the direction of x. Theta equal to angle between the jet and plate. Mass of the water striking the plate per second equal to rho av. Mass of the water striking the plate m equal to rho av. The plate is very smooth and there is no loss of energy due to the impact of jet. Then the jet will move over the plate after striking with a velocity equal to initial velocity, that equal to v. Next, force exerted by the jet on the plate in the direction normal to the plate. F of n అంటే normal direction. F of n equal to mass of the jet striking per second into initial velocity of the jet before striking the direction of n minus final velocity of jet after striking the direction of n. Therefore, f of n equal to rho av into v sin theta minus 0. Therefore, f of n equal to rho a v square sin theta. This is the initial plate. Okay, this is the initial plate. Okay, in this sin theta, okay, in this figure 90. Okay, in this figure 90 angle is as shown in your figure. F of n direction is 90 angle direction. Okay, na? ఈ 90 మైనస్ థీటా అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ కాస్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ కాస్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ డైరెక్షన్, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ సైన్ థీటా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ this force can be resolved into two components. Okay, first one is in the direction of the jet, f of x direction. Next, perpendicular to the direction of flow, f of y direction. Okay, in the direction of the jet, f of x direction. Next, perpendicular to the direction of flow, f of y direction. F of x means the components of f of n the direction of flow. F of x means the component of f of n in the direction of flow. Therefore, f of x equal to f of n cos 90 minus theta. అంటే as shown in figure, in this figure f of n x direction, f of n cos 90 minus theta. Okay, Okay, f of n cos 90 minus theta, that equal to f of n sin theta. Okay, therefore f of x equal to f of n already calculated. That value is rho a v square. Rho a v square sin theta. In this equation, sin theta is available. Okay, because of f of x equal to rho a v square sin square theta. Next component to f of y direction. Okay, f of y equal to component of f of n in the direction of perpendicular to the flow. Okay, therefore f of y equal to f of n sin 90 minus theta. That equal to f of y equal to f of n cos theta. Okay, now therefore f of y equal to f of n means rho a v square sin theta. Okay, in this equation, f of n value is substituted f of y equal to rho a v square sin theta cos theta. Okay, now in this inclined plate, f of n value is calculated, and f of x value is calculated, and f of y value is calculated. Okay, next, force exerted by the jet on a stationary curved plate. Okay, force exerted by the jet on a stationary curved plate. Okay, first vertical stationary plate, next inclined stationary plate. In this video, curved plate. The curved plate is stationary. Okay, na? The jet strikes curved plate at the center. The jet strikes curved plate at the center. Next, the jet strikes one end of the curved plate. Okay, na? This is center of the curved plate. The pipe diameter capital D and nozzle diameter small d. The jet is entering into the curved plate at the center point. The leaving into the water outward side, ante upward side and downward side. Some velocity, upward side vertical direction v sin theta and horizontal direction v cos theta. V cos theta is negative direction. Okay, v sin theta is positive direction. V means some inclination of the horizontal position, theta directions. Okay, next, stationary curved plate. Okay, now that portion, hatching portion, is a stationary curved plate. Next, tangent to the curved plate at outlet tip. Tangent to the curved plate at outlet tip. Okay, to draw the tangent curves on both sides and upside and bottom sides. Two tangents are meet at one point. Okay, now this is a axis of the nozzle point, or axis of the nozzle point, or axis of the pipe point. Next, okay, let a jet of water strike a fixed curved plate at the center of the Ashwin figure. Okay, the jet after striking the plate comes out with the same velocity in the tangential direction of the curved plate. If the plate is smooth and there is no loss of energy due to the impact of jet. Now the velocity at the outlet of the plate can be resolved into two components. First one is direction of jet 2. Second one is perpendicular to the direction of jet 2. Okay, now next, the component of velocity in the direction of jet 2, that equal to minus v cos theta. Okay, the component of velocity in the direction of jet 2, that equal to minus v cos theta. Okay, where sin is taken as the velocity at the outlet in the opposite direction of the jet of water coming out at the nozzle. Okay, here v అని ఉందమ్మా, అది negative sign is taken as velocity at the outlet in the opposite direction of the jet of water coming out the nozzle. Okay na? Next, the component of velocity perpendicular to the direction of the jet. Okay, the component of velocity perpendicular to the direction of jet, that equal to v sin theta. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, this all of you see the figure. First of all, outlet. Okay, outside water flowing into the outside water upward side. V sin theta is vertical direction. V cos theta is horizontal directions. V cos theta is opposite to the flow of jet velocity. Okay. V sin theta is perpendicular to the jet velocity. Okay. The force exerted by the jet on the plate in the direction of x and y. Therefore, f of x equal to mass by time into change in velocity in x direction. So, okay, change in velocity means initial velocity minus final velocity. Okay, now in this equation, f of x equal to mass per time. Okay, mass m dash. Okay, m equal to rho av into change in velocity. Okay, v minus v cos theta. V means initial velocity of the jet. Okay, minus v cos theta means final velocity of the jet. Minus v cos theta means opposite directions. Okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, in this figure, v cos theta. V cos theta direction is opposite direction to the jet direction because of sign indication is minus. Okay, f of x equal to m into v minus v cos theta. Therefore, f of x equal to rho a v plus v cos theta. Okay, therefore f of x equal to rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. V is common in this equation. Okay, rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. Next, similarly, f of y equal to mass by time into change in velocity in y direction. So, okay, f of y equal to m into 0 minus v sin theta. 0 means initial velocity in y direction 0. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, in this figure, the jet velocity is in horizontal direction. So, okay, the jet velocity in horizontal direction. So, okay, horizontal directions means initial velocity. Okay, and vertical directions jet velocity is no. Vertical velocity vertical jet velocity is 0 ante there is no vertical directions flow of water. Okay, there f of y equal to m into 0 minus v sin theta. F of y equal to minus rho a v square sin theta. Negative sign means f of y is acting downward. Okay na. This is the small derivation in curved plate. Next, jet strikes the curved plate at one end stationary when the plate is symmetrical. Okay, before figure, the jet strikes to the center of the curved plate. In this figure, the jet strikes to the one end tangentially. Okay, one end tangentially. Okay, before figure, the water is striking into the center of the curved plate. Okay, let the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially as shown in figure. Let the curved plate is symmetrical about x-axis, then the angle made by the tangent to the two ends, okay, of the plate will be same. Okay, as shown in figure, bottom side. Okay, one end of the jet is striking into the curved plate, other end is the jet is leaving into the outside. Okay, na entering v cos theta, v sin theta. Okay, jet velocity v, some inclination of the theta, x direction, f of x direction v cos theta, f of y direction v sin theta. Okay na, in outside upward side v sin theta and horizontal directions v cos theta. Okay, horizontal directions v cos theta. All of you see the figure. V is the velocity of the jet of water. Theta is the angle made by the jet with x-axis at the inlet tip of the curved plate. Inlet tip of the curved plate. If the plate is smooth and loss of energy due to the impact of a jet is 0, then the velocity of water at the outlet tip of the curved plate will be equal to V. The force exerted by the jet of water on the plate in the direction of x and y are f of x equal to mass by time into change in velocity in x direction. This equation is common for all. Okay, f of x equal to mass by time into change in velocity in x direction. So, f of x equal to m into v cos theta initial velocity minus v cos theta final velocity. Therefore, f of x equal to rho a v cos theta plus v cos theta. V cos theta plus v cos theta 2v cos theta. Therefore, f of x equal to 2 into rho a v square cos theta. Okay. Similarly, f of y equal to m into rho a m into v sin theta minus v sin theta. V sin theta is 0. And therefore, f of y equal to 0. In f of y direction, there is no flow, water flow. Next, in this video, the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially when the plate is unsymmetrical. Okay, before figure is symmetrical plate. In this figure is unsymmetrical plate. Okay, when the curved plate unsymmetrical x-axis, then the angle made by the tangents drawn at the inlet and outlet tips of the plate with the x-axis will be different. Okay, theta is the angle made by the tangent at inlet tip with the x-axis. Okay, theta and pi. Okay, theta and pi. Next, pi is the angle made by the tangent at outlet tip. Okay, theta is the angle made by the tangent at inlet tip. Pi is the angle made by the tangent at outlet tip. Therefore, the force exerted by the jet of water on the plate in the direction of x and y. Therefore, f of x equal to mass per time into change in velocity in x direction. Therefore, f of x equal to mass into v cos theta of minus v cos pi. Therefore, f of x equal to rho a v square cos theta plus cos pi. Okay, na? This is the f of x direction water flow. Next, similarly, f of y directions. F of y equal to m into v sin theta minus v sin pi. Okay, therefore f of y equal to rho a v square sin theta minus sin pi. In this equation, the pi is calculated. Okay, na? Pi different angles, outlet tip angle pi and inlet tip angle theta. Next, this is a small problem. A jet of water 75 mm in diameter. A jet of water 75 mm diameter issues with a velocity of 30 meter per second and impinging on a stationary flat plate with destroys its forward motion. Find the force exerted by the jet on the plate and work done. Okay, force exerted by the jet and work done. First of all, to write down the given data. Okay, given data is diameter of the jet d equal to 75 mm. This is converted into the meters. Okay, 0.075 meters. The velocity of the jet v equal to 30 meter per second. Okay, na? Next, first you can calculate the force exerted by the jet on a stationary vertical plate. Okay, stationary vertical plate equation means f equal to rho a v square. Okay, stationary vertical plate means f equal to rho a v square. F equal to rho a v square derivation is already derived. Okay, na? F equal to rho a v square. In this equation, rho equal to mass density of water, that equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the standard value of density of water. Next, area of plate. Okay, area of the jet. A equal to pi by 4 into d square. Pi by 4 into d means 0.075 square. That equal to 0.004418 meter square. Okay, na? Therefore, F equal to rho 1000 into A. A means 0.004418 into V square. V means 30 square. Okay, that value is calculated 3976.2 newtons. Okay na, force exerted by the jet on a stationary vertical plate F equal to 3976.2 newtons. Okay na, as the plate is stationary, the work done is zero. Already explain the derivation topic. Next, a jet of water of diameter 40 mm moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second strikes a curved fixed symmetrical plate at the center. Find the force exerted by the jet water in the direction of the jet if the jet is deflected through the angle of 120 degrees at the outlet of the curved plate. Okay na, this is the problem. Okay na, to write down the given data, the diameter of the jet d equal to 40 mm. Okay, that equal to 0.04 meters. Next, the area of the jet equal to a equal to pi by 4 into d square. Okay, d value is substituted in this equation, that equal to pi by 4 into 0.04 square. Okay na, that value is 0.001256 meter square. Okay na, next, the velocity of the jet v equal to 30 meter per second. Okay na, next, the angle of deflection. Okay na, the angle of deflection 120. Okay, the angle of deflection 120. Okay na, as shown in figure, the angle of deflection 180 minus theta. Okay, theta is given in the problem. Theta is given in the problem. Okay, theta equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60. 180 minus 120 equal to 60. The force exerted by the jet of water in the direction of jet. The force exerted by the water in the direction of jet f of x equal to rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. Rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. In this equation, rho equal to 1000. Okay, a equal to 0.001256. Okay, into v equal to 30 square. Okay, into 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta equal to 60. Okay na, therefore the calculated value f of x equal to 1695.6 newtons. Okay, this is a small problem. Next, another problem, a jet of water diameter 60 mm moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second strikes a curved fixed plate tangentially at one end an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The jet leaves the plate at an angle of 20 degrees to the horizontal. Find the force exerted by the jet on a plate in the horizontal and vertical directions. Okay na, in this problem, theta is given and pi is given. Okay, to write down the data, diameter of the jet d equal to 60 mm, that equal to 0.06 meters. Area A equal to pi by 4 into d square, that equal to pi by 4 into 0.06 square, that equal to 0.002827 meter square. The velocity of jet v equal to 40 meter per second. Okay na, the angle made by the jet at the inlet tip with the horizontal theta equal to 30 degrees. The angle made by the jet at outlet tip with horizontal pi equal to 20 degrees. Ante two angles are given in the problem, velocity given in the problem, and diameter also given in the problem. Next, the force exerted by the jet. Okay, force exerted by the jet in x direction. So f of x equal to rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. This is the equation of the f of x, the force exerted by the jet. Okay, now in this equation, rho is the constant value. Okay, density of the water 1000. Area is already calculated in the problem. Okay, v is the already given in the problem. Okay, theta is also given in the problem. Pi is also given in the problem. All values are substituted in this equation to calculate the f of x equal to 8167.6 newtons. Okay, this is the f of x value, force exerted by the jet in the x directions. Next, the force exerted by the jet in y directions. Okay, f of y. F of y equal to rho a v square sin theta minus sin pi. This is the equation of the force exerted by the jet in y directions. Okay, f of y equal to rho a v square sin theta minus sin pi. In this equation, rho is the constant value, the density of the water 1000. A is also already calculated in the problem. Okay, V is also already given in the problem. Theta is also given in the problem. Pi is also given in the problem. All values are substituted in this equation to calculate the f of y value is 714.57 newtons. Okay, this is the small problem. Okay, this video is completed.